Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from Jagging & Company Associates, and today I want us to move to a different topic, merge tables in Power BI. And then our first task will be how to merge data stock tables using Power Query within Power BI. So let me just take you to the tables that you need to merge. So here we have two tables. We have two tables with the first table is having 3 columns and it's also having 10 records. The second table is having 3 columns as well, but here now we have 12 records. So we want to see how we can merge these 2 columns for sales and sales area with table 1. So let's see how we can do this using Power BI in conjunction with Power Query. So let me just take you to Power BI. So from Power BI, we'll go to Home tab, then we'll click Get Data. Then from here we'll click Excel Workbook. Then let's take Merge Tables. So this is the file that we have, the 2 tables. Then I'll click Open. Then from here we'll choose these 2 tables. Then we'll click Transform Data. So that will take us to Power Query Editor. Then from here now we need to merge the 2 queries. Now within the Power Query Editor we have quite a number of commands. We have new query, we have data sources, we have query, we have merge column, and rather manage columns, we have reduce rows, we have transform, and then we also have combine. So we want to combine the tables, so we'll use the combine function. So what we'll do, we'll go to merge queries. Then from merge queries we can choose either. So when we choose merge queries, it means that we'll merge table 1 and table 2. But when we choose merge queries as new, it means we'll have a new query. So let me select table 1 as my default selected table, and then I will go to merge queries. Then I will choose merge queries as a new. Then I will go to, I will also choose table 2. Then after selecting the 2 tables, we need to identify the column that has a unique identifier. So we'll select product code in table 1 and product code in table 2. And then down here you can see we are being told that the selection matches 7 out of 10 from the first table. It means that 7 records from table 1 are matching 7 records, or rather are matching the records within table 2. But when you come down here under this join kind, we have quite a number of options. We have left outer, we have right outer, we have full outer, inner, and then we'll have left anti and right anti. So we'll see all of them in turn. So we'll start with left outer. So when we select left outer, it means that we are taking all the records from the first table and we want to match them with the records within the second table. So all the records within the first table will be taken, and only matching records from the second table will be merged with the records from the first table. So here we'll click OK. Then the second table will appear as a column, but it is condensed, so we need to expand it, and by expanding it we'll click on these 2 arrows. Then from here we can see all the columns within that table: product code, sales person, and sales area. But I will just select all the columns so that we can see which product code are matching with the product code from table 1. Then I will click OK. Then from here now you can see we have product code 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, and rather 5, 6, 7, and 8. So these are the records that are matching with the table 1 from table 2. But we just want the salesperson column and the sales area column. So again I will go and change the applied step here. I will select, or rather click on the settings, and I will only choose salesperson and sales area from table 2 and click OK. So now you can see the records from table 2 that are matching with the records of table 1. And now we can rename these as left outer join. So this is ready and can now be loaded into the front end of Power BI. So let's try again to see the next option of right outer. So again I will I choose table 1 and go to merge queries. I will choose merge queries as new, and then I will select table 2. Then we need to select the column with the unique identifier, so product code for table 1 and product code for table 2. Then now you can see the selection matches 7 of 10 from the first table, but now we are using right outer, not left outer. And then when I choose right outer, you can see the selection matches 10 of 12 rows from second table. Then I will click OK. Then again from here now we can expand the table, and let us select all the columns and see which records are matching. And then from here now you can see only 7 records from table 1 are matching the records of table 2, but we just want the salesperson and sales area, but let's just leave it as it is. So I will rename this as right outer join. Then now the queries are ready for being loaded into the front face of Power BI. So let's move on with the next option of join. So again I will select table 1, go to merge queries, merge queries as new. Then again I will choose table 2. Then today I will choose full outer. So full outer join will take all the records from table 1 and all the records from table 2 and merge the two together. So let's again choose the unique identifier from table 1 and table 2, and then now you can see the selection matches 7 of 10 rows from table 1 and 10 of 12 rows from table 2. So let's click OK. Then let's expand the table 2 column, and then let's just select all the columns, and now you can see the full outer join. We have two records from table 1 are not matching with the records from table 2, and we have three records from table 2 are not matching with the records of table 1. So this is how to merge the tables using full join. So here I will rename this one as full outer join. So again we can move to the next step. We want the inner join, so I'll select this table again, table 1, go to merge queries as new, and then I will choose table 2 as well. Then I will go to inner. So today we are in inner join. Then we'll again select the unique identifier from both table 1 and table 2, and down here you can see the selection matches 7 of 10 rows from the first table and 10 of 12 rows from the second table. So we'll click OK. Then let's expand table 2, and then let's choose all the columns, and then now you can see the records from table 1 and the records from table 2 that are matching. So this is inner join, so we can rename this one as inner join, and then we can also move to the second option of join. I'll click again table 1, go to merge queries as new, then I'll select table 2 again, then I'll select the unique identifier from both tables. So now we want to use the left anti. So the left anti will only take the records from the first table that are not matching with the records of the second table. So then let's click OK. So here we can see the records that are not matching from table 2. So these are the records of table 2, or rather table 1, that are not matching with table 2. So you can see in table 2 we have null values from the columns, meaning that there are no records that are matching with table 1, as you can see. So this one is left anti-join, and then we can move to right anti-join. And when we talk about right anti-join, we mean that we'll only pick the records from table 2 that are not matching the records of table 1. So again I'll choose this table 1, go to merge queries, merge queries as new, then I'll choose table 2 as well, then select the unique identifiers from both tables, then I will go to right anti, then I'll click OK. Then let's expand table 2. Then from here you can see we have 2 records that are not matching with the records of table 1. So this is right anti-join. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've seen how we can merge tables using left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, the inner join. We have left anti-join and right anti-join. Then from here now from that task we'll move to the second task of how to merge tables, stock data from different Excel files. So we'll meet again on the next video.